Hello everyone, welcome to Flash Trade 1. On the screen you can see that I'm on the account 420448 Super Forex Real account. We are posting the investor password of this account into our main Telegram channel. This is our main Telegram channel since November 21, 2019, you can see, and this was the first update on our Telegram channel about this account, where $1,000 profit was done, and you can see that we are trading this account since 7th of November 2019, and on 4th of March 2021, means yesterday, we took the entry in sell GBP USD with trading 12 micro lots. So 12 micro lots is equals to 1.2 standard lot, and entry was taken at the price 1.4000. This entry was taken after our support. This is our multiple in one trend indicator, and our support and demand indicator have shown the indication at 1.3990, and at M30 the indication was shown at 1.399. At M15 the indication was shown at 1.399, and you can see that the indication was shown at the support demand indicator both has shown the indication at 1845 candle, here also at 1845 candle, and we took the entry at 1840. So entry was taken precisely when GBP USD traded high. We captured this high movement of GBP USD, and we booked the profit of $900 into our account, and overall profit on the account has been made to $50,761, and you can see that on July 17, 2020, we have on our this is our main Telegram channel. On this main Telegram channel we have given some targets, and our fourth target of getting 50k profit into our account is now achieved, and our next target is 100k onto this account, and soon that will be also achieved. On 17th July the current profit was 32,000, and as of now 50k target has been done into this account with the initial deposit of 10k into this account. So if you want such kind of profit into your account, then you need to contact with our WhatsApp or Telegram executive. They will guide you. The monthly profit on this account is 25 to 30% with no risk on your capital, as trading is been done precisely from our support, demand, and our trend indicator. To get this profit, you need to be part of our mirror trading service. Also, if you do not afford it, then you can take this indicator on rent. So to get it, contact our WhatsApp executive. Hope this video was useful. We'll meet in the next video. Until that, goodbye, take care, and have a happy trading.